Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to use the standard Bitergia dashboards to start getting insights from your data. By following this example, you'll be able to get insights from the backlog of issues created by other organizations in your favorite project. Before going on, let's have a look at some common questions we receive regarding the performance when dealing with issues created by community members. When trying to build a strong community, it is needed to pay special attention to the contributions made by people outside your organization. Are you paying enough attention to them? How big is the backlog for the issues created by other organizations or teams? In order to prioritize the effort to reduce that backlog, we need to go deeper. How many issues were created months ago and are still open? And what are the companies, organizations, or teams that are creating those issues? Now, let's see how one of my colleagues uses the Bitergia Analytics platform to get the metrics we need to answer these questions. So, let's start.
To answer this question, we need to go to a different dashboard. Let's go to the Performance part of the menu and select GitHub Issues Backlog. Once it loads, we can change the value of the time picker filter to the last 2 years. Let's do that. Click here and the last 2 years. Now, we need to filter by issues open for more than 90 days. Usually, you can use the different visualizations and values there to add this filter, but you cannot add numeric values as a filter. This means we need to add this filter manually. For doing this, we need to click on this Add a Filter button, then type the name of the field, time open days, and choose the correct operator for this. In this case, it will be a range. Is between from 90 days, and we will leave this other part of the range empty. When we click on Save, we will see we have for more than 90 days. As we want to see the issues from the community, we need to add one more filter. In this case, to exclude the contributions from the main organization. We can go to this pie chart over here, click on Bitergia, and click on this magnifying glass with the minus sign. When this is applied, we can see metrics for the tickets created in the last 2 years by other organizations when they have been open for more than 90 days.
Continue to the next lesson and learn specifics on how to use the platform. Thanks for watching.